Apart from cooking, are there any other skills people need to learn if they live independently?
Well, for anybody who is determined to lead a happy life independently, a set of diverse skills is needed, and that goes without saying. Among them, the most crucial skills are time management skills and money management skills. Have you ever noticed that most people with brilliant talents or very rare opportunities suffer failure repeatedly simply because they are too disorganized when it comes to time or money handling? Or is it just me? With these two essential skills being mastered, other skills will take care of themselves and serve our purposes whenever and wherever. The Holy Bible has a realistic perspective about money. Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 19 says, "Money answers all things." Money makes everyone hear and respond. If you have money, you have influence and resources, as somebody said, and I quote, "Money answers to every demand, hears every wish, grants whatever one longs for, helps to all." In other words, money talks. With that being said, some may still argue that money isn't the answer for everything, but it is the exact answer for 99% of our problems. Don't you agree? And time is money, which is the magic of this equation. So, I will always remember, cherish time and use it wisely. And, earn money and spend it smartly.
Contact Dr. N in England.